Dude, I hope I just didn't miss him leaving. I might have.
It was awesome.
Well, did you have a good time? Was it a lot of fun? Did you see everything that you've been to downstairs on the ground? Does it make you want to fly a helicopter again? Yeah? What about an airplane? You want to go on an airplane next time? Maybe Monday we'll go in an airplane?
I'm going helicopter.
You want to go in a helicopter again? How'd you like it, Gabe? Tell me all about it.
Awesome.
What was the favorite part?
And we flew over Happy View.
That was your favorite part?
Mm-hmm.
Mine was SeaWorld. SeaWorld's got a lot of stuff. We gotta go to SeaWorld.
I know, I've been there. I went to Legoland.
Legoland?
I've been to Legoland and SeaWorld.
Okay. Alright, let's watch this helicopter come back in. I think he's doing a
We're
short
gonna
loop.
stay here for another. Is he right there?
No, that's not him actually.